what if that very asteroid 66 million years ago didn't lead to the complete extinction of dinosaurs, but merely changed the rules of the game, forcing both ancient reptiles and emerging mammals to adapt together to a new world. Imagine our modern era, but not as we know it. Rather, a world where humanity shares the planet with an incredible diversity of dinosaurs that not only survived, but have become an integral part of our daily lives and even our technosphere. In this world, megacities look astonishing. Through familiar urban landscapes run specially equipped green corridors, along which herds of herbivorous dinosaurs migrate. And above skyscraper rooftops, alongside urban air transport, specially trained pterodactyls soar, perhaps used for delivery or observation. This isn't a zoo, it's ordinary life, where people have learned to live side by side with ancient giants. Urban infrastructure has been completely redesigned. Ultra-strong materials are used for buildings and bridges, capable of withstanding the accidental impact of a large dinosaur. Multi-level transport systems have been created, separating the flows of people and reptiles. Special services such as Dino Patrol monitor safety around the clock, using drones and sensor networks to track dinosaur behavior and prevent conflicts. Technology has taken a step towards nature. Bioengineers, studying the unique properties of dinosaurs, create new materials, medicines, or even environmentally friendly energy sources based on the principles of their physiology. Perhaps some non-dangerous dinosaur species have been partially domesticated or integrated into industry. For example, powerful herbivores are used for heavy-duty work in difficult terrain under human control, or small, agile dinosaur couriers in special gear deliver packages along designated routes. Of course, such coexistence is not without its challenges. Strict rules and safety zones exist. Accidental incidents or aggressive behavior from wild individuals require immediate response. New ethical questions arise about the rights of these creatures and the limits of their integration into human society. Scientific research on living dinosaurs is booming, uncovering incredible secrets of evolution and biology. Scientists study their physiology, behavior, and complex communication systems, perhaps even approaching interspecies dialogue. Human culture has also been enriched by this proximity. Dinosaurs have become part of folklore, art, entertainment. Safe eco-tours for observing dinosaurs in their adapted urban or suburban environments are popular. Children study them in schools not just from fossils, but live. This world is a constant search for balance, symbiosis between human high-tech civilization and the ancient power of nature, embodied in dinosaurs. It's a world where respect for other life forms and incredible adaptability have become the key to mutual prosperity on one shared planet. What would your life look like in such a world? What opportunities and dangers does it entail? Write in the comments. Like, subscribe, and get ready for more incredible scenarios that will twist your view of reality.